Today, we have a rustic and iconic student home in Newcastle. Introducing Magnet Court, a newly renovated student stay, nestled in the heart of the city that offers both classic and premium options to suit your preferences. Choose from a range of well-furnished and thoughtfully designed ensuite rooms and studios, complete with your very own personal bed, large wardrobe, Wi-Fi, enabled study space, and a private shower. If you're an undergraduate student, you'll find the ensuite apartments particularly appealing. Not only will you be able to meet a lot of new people, but you will also be able to enjoy your privacy in your room, offering you the perfect balance between your social life and study. Getting to university from Magnet Court couldn't be easier. You're a 9-minute walk to Newcastle University and 7 minutes from INTO Newcastle University. For football enthusiasts, a quick 5-minute walk from the front door will take you to St. James Park, the ultimate destination for weekend games, while a stroll around the corner will take you to Eldon Square, a buzzing shopping mecca. In conclusion, exciting times are coming for those who choose to stay at Magnet Court. Get clicking and reserve a room at amberstudent.com.